Hey friends, if you wish to turn off notification content on lock screen in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, whenever you lock your computer, you must have noticed that there are a lot of notifications. This is usually enabled by default, and a lot of people don't like it. Why? Because it can reveal a lot of your data. For example, you got a message on WhatsApp and the message will display on the lock screen. That can be very dangerous. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select lock screen. Okay, now under lock screen there will be a section for notifications. So you can select this at none. Lock screen status at none. And this one should be selected at Windows Spotlight or Pictures, and show the lock screen background picture on this thing. You can turn it off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.